Today I made diddly squat. I lost my first phase eval and the next trade I took went up 26 pips and then crashed back down I didn't even move my stop loss to break even. So I lost 50% of my initial risk.
Okay.
In the halls where shadows glide, gold peacocks dance, their wings spread wide. A rose in bloom, yet thorns entwine. Dylan Kane walks the edge of time.
Okay, midweek recap. Annoying. I've taken a short. No, sorry. I took the buy on this engulfing candle, retraced too much, and I took that loss. Lost the first phase of my account on my last minimum trading day. That's annoying. So what I should have done is risked less. I was risking the same high leverage as before. So small tweak. Every time you trade for a different prop firm, you will make small adjustments. I've switched to Aquafund in this one. So this is what I need to do moving forward. I did go for the short thinking that I misread the inversion up, down. And then I closed before this rallied up because I realized I hadn't read the chart early. London session, sometimes I do wake up groggily. I've done it today. This is also something to bear in mind when you're on the charts because you don't know if you're actually awake. Do you know what I mean? Before you get on the chart. So yes, London session is the session where human error comes into play for myself. I do make a few hiccups. Yeah, so I redrew it, realized that price had only dipped into this FVG when it took out my first entry. So cool. See the inversion entry and I'm up, boom. So this is where I've entered. Yeah, I did catch it during the candle. Yes, I don't teach that, but I'm pretty rehearsed of it. So yeah, I just went for it. Boom, I'm going for these highs here. I don't have the time to wait for it to retrace and then attack the higher highs. It's only a couple of pips as well. Let's have a look. Making it happen for you guys. See what I'm doing? Alright, cool. $17.6 pips. Not too phased. It's only 47 on this one anyway. Yeah, I'm not too phased. So now watching price. Where I'm thinking, is price gonna turn around and reverse? I've got the confidence it won't, because if I look to the previous structure, I do see this engulfing candle here, so I'm gonna see that as a level here. I can also see the same here, so I can see and expect I've got 1, 2 and 3 points for some consolidation or something to bounce through. But because this candle was biggest with regards to momentum, I'm going to hold a bias of it being superior, so therefore it should cancel out this issue and that issue and push through. Right now I'm off the chart. I've got my trade which was rallying up. 26 pips has now fallen flat. Like one candle just took me out really and crashed down. It's coming up to what, 15 minutes left to the end of my session, or like my kill zone if you like. So I'm gonna see it as price doesn't really want to push for any high distribution, so I'm gonna leave it there.
In the halls where shadows glide, gold peacocks dance, their wings spread wide. A rose in bloom, yet thorns entwine. Dylan Kane walks the edge of time.
Okay, midweek recap.
A whispered trade